How to bridge tokens from Tron to Solana. To begin, visit bridge.tronpad.network and select Tron as the from network and Binance Smart Chain as the to network. Next, click on Connect Wallet and connect your Tron Link wallet. Now, open your Metamask wallet, select the Binance Smart Chain, and copy the wallet address. Paste this address under the receiving address on the Tron Pad Bridge website, enter the token amount, and then proceed to the swap. You will see a pop-up for the completion of the bridging process. Verify the token amount and ensure that you have sufficient TRX for the swap fees. Click on Confirm the swap in your Tron Link wallet. Click Approve and sign the transactions. Then click Submit and sign the transaction again to swap. If you don't see this token in your list, you will need to import the Tron Pad token using its token address under the Import Tokens section. Open another tab and search for Tron Pad on the CoinMarketCap website. Copy the contract address for BNB and paste it into the Import Token section in the Metamask wallet. Click on Add Token, click on Import Token, and you will see the TronPad token in your wallet. Next, visit the Wormhole Portal Bridge website. Open your Metamask wallet to swap your TronPad tokens for USDT. Click on Swap and select TronPad in from and USDT in to. Click on Review Swap to see the fee and click on Swap to complete the transaction. Now, you'll need to select Binance Smart Chain as the source chain and Solana as the target chain. Click the Connect button and select your Metamask or other BSC-compatible wallets. After connecting your wallet, click on the Select a Token option and search for USDT. Your balance for USDT on Binance Smart Chain should now be visible. Enter the amount of USDT you'd like to transfer. Click on Next to proceed. Make sure Solana is selected as the recipient chain, with manual payment as the default option. Click the Connect button and select your Backpack wallet and click Next to proceed. To initiate the transfer, click on the Approve button to allow Wormhole to access your USDT on Binance Smart Chain. Confirm the transaction in your Metamask wallet and then click on the Transfer button. Once again, you'll need to confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, you can click on the Redeem button in your connected Backpack wallet to receive Wormhole wrapped USDT on Solana. It's important to make sure you complete all 4 steps in this process, as leaving any of them out could lead to redemption issues. After the transactions are approved, you'll be able to view your updated balance in the Backpack wallet. To swap your USDT for native tokens, head over to Jupiter Exchange and connect your Backpack wallet and then select Tether USDT BS from Binance Smart Chain as the payment token and SOL as the receiving token, and enter the desired amount for the swap. Click on the Swap button. Approve the transaction from your Backpack wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll be able to view your updated balance in the Backpack wallet. Congratulations! You've now successfully bridged Tron from TronPad to Solana. Welcome to Solana, the home of USDH.